Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. This bike has been fitted with a Delkevic oval stubby 9-inch or 225mm carbon fibre wide pipe silencer. Using motorsport testing protocol, noise levels are 105 to 107 decibels without the baffle and 103 to 105 decibels with the baffle. It's on the dyno as part of the extensive research and development we do for every system on every bike. This testing allows us to confirm that no fueling modifications are necessary. You just fit and ride.